after spending about 4 or 5 hours trying to figure this out, I now have a solution to how to sideload any book or manga you want onto the Nook Glowlight 4. Just got it, and I was trying to just plug it in, throw the books on there, and it wouldn't work. So, of course, first you need to get Caliber, or however you pronounce it, and then you need to get your books on here. You click Add Book, and you can drag and drop the files, however you feel like it. But once you have that, you're gonna have to go through this weird process. You have to go to your Nook. It should be, under this PC. You should just plug it in to your computer using USB-C. You click internal shared, you go to the Nook thing, and you add a folder. You want to name this folder books, or at least that's what I did. I don't know what exactly has to happen, but this is what I did. And after you did that, you want to copy this, copy the file path, go over here to device, click this little drop down, configure this device, and right here, make sure it says send the EPUB, delete this if there's anything in there, and then copy and paste what you just copied, that file path, click OK, restart Caliber. Then once it's up, you want to choose your book, book, convert individually. And I chose a manga, so you go down to these comic input settings, and these are the settings I chose for the Glow Light 4. This is what works best for me because you have to fit it inside its margins or whatever, and it doesn't work that good. If you just do everything basic, it'll cut off part of the page and you can't read it all. So this is what I did. I'll just go through these settings real quick. I chose the Nook profile, default profile. Don't know if that's important or anything. Then click OK. It'll run through it. And just to show you what needs to be done, I'll delete this real quick. And now you want to click on your book, click send to device in the top left corner. It runs through the process, should be done. Nothing's going to show up until you refresh. A new folder will pop up. You want to go in this folder, copy this or cut it, whatever you feel like. Go into the books folder you made under Nook, paste it, it'll go through it, and you'll be done. You'll have it, and you can just delete the other folder that was made. Now, in your Nook, it'll probably take a couple seconds to show up, but if you can see it, you can go to library, click the book you just sideloaded on there. You know what? Let me 1 second. There we go. The book you just sideloaded on, and you should have it there. Should be formatted great. Should look good. And that's how you sideload onto the Nook Glowlight 4.